We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP 477 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you notice you're getting lines or blemishes on your copies and scans, it's going to indicate there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So if you open up the scanner bed here, you'll see there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner, and then you have a small piece of glass here on the left side of the printer. That small piece of glass is actually where, anytime you use this top document feeder, that's where everything gets copied or scanned from, is in this small piece of glass. So depending on what kind of copies or scans you're doing when you're noticing the blemishing, it's going to show you where you need to focus your cleaning on. So, to clean the glass, you need a lint-free cloth. You need your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can't use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is preferred. We're going to apply the glass cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply the glass cleaner directly to the glass on the printer itself. If you do that, you run the risk of the glass cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and then you're causing a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. And then we're going to start on the small piece of glass on the left side of the printer for the document feeder. Again, just making sure that there's no buildup of ink, whiteout, there's no tape, fingerprints, dust, things like that. Some things can be a little bit more stubborn to get off than others, but make sure that once you're done wiping it off that you don't see anything physically on the glass. And then while we're here, we're also going to wipe down the flatbed scanner. They're highly prone to fingerprints and dust and stuff like that, so again, just make sure you get off anything that you see on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I'm going to close the top of the scanner, and I would recommend doing a couple test copies or scans from both the document feeder and off the flatbed scanner, and making sure that all your blemishes go away. If not, if you're still getting a faint line or faint little blemish, there's still probably something on that glass that's just a little hard to see. Just go back over and do that one more time, and that should take care of it. It should be back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.